Morning, evening. For me, it's Thursday morning. Quick update for you. Okay, firstly, I've got to tell you, financial markets are just getting harder and harder. They never seem to get easier to trade. They get harder and harder to chart. I've been doing this 30 years, and just every year it just seems to get more difficult. Look at oil. Oil has really done nothing for the past 2 months. Just traded sideways in a range. It's almost up one day, down the next, certainly up for a day or two, down for a day or two. There's no patterns, there's no trends, there's nothing to go on really here. Great example here really of how difficult it is to trade, even if you had known that the dollar yen was going to 112.00, and you'll know that was my target once we broke 114.50. How hard was it to run a position all the way down to 112.00 from 114.50? Look at the volatility, up, down, no direction. You would have been stopped out so many times on the way down. So anyway, a bit of a grumble this morning, but I'm really just trying to make it clear to you how difficult conditions are. In the old days, you would get moves of 100 pips a day on most currency pairs, and it wouldn't just be in one direction and then trading sideways like it is now. Even during American hours, it seems that these markets really don't want to move. Okay, having said that, I'm still hopeful that the dollar yen can turn around, and these stochastics will be given an opportunity to unwind from an oversold situation. So, key for a recovery now, in my opinion, would be a break above this trend line here, which is now coming in around 112.00, 112.15, I would say. A break above 112.15 should confirm. Actually, if I can just open up the 1 hour chart here, might give you a slightly clearer picture. No, it doesn't really, actually, to be fair. Okay, so I think we're going to have to get through 112.15 for the dollar yen to start moving higher. Redrawn that trend line on the hourly chart, so I think this is a lot clearer. You've got a 23.6% short-term fib here at 112.15, and you've got this trend line going back to the end of January. I think this should be key, because this trend line has obviously held really perfectly over the last 3 weeks. So I'm looking for a sustained break above 112.15 now to signal the start of the move higher in the dollar yen. And note how we do have a double bottom, which is quite helpful for bulls, shall we say, in such oversold conditions. Okay, levels for the euro worked quite well yesterday. I did say to cover your shorts down here around the 106.45, 106.40 level. That worked absolutely perfectly. We got the rally that I was looking for. We did hit the target of 107.05.15. So perfect, really couldn't have been any better. We were selling up here. So this has started to work. Where do we get to? 106.76. So you know what my theory is. We've broken this this channel, which I see as a bear flag. We've broken it, we hit the first support, we bounce back to the resistance, we get short here, and then it comes down and breaks through the 106.40 level. That's the theory. Let's see if it works, but at least the levels have been absolutely spot on.